as we got that out of the way, we are on our way to Six Flags today, and we're gonna have an amazing day. It is Friday and Sunday, and we have an amazing day ahead of us because we are Diamond membership members.
Elite Diamond. It's Elite Diamond member.
Okay, it's Diamond Elite member.
That's what
we get free parking, and we get to park way up front. Watch, we're just gonna drive all the way past all these people and park up at the front. See you in a sec.
our passes.
Yeah! Alright, you guys, we've got the whole 9 yards. Alright, we've got our, I'm gonna say it right. Look at it. It's Diamond Elite member.
That's what me and Ryan both said.
Does it get any more exclusive?
Does it get any better?
I feel like it's VIP already. So you guys will get the special number entrance. So let's go in. And
Look at all those people.
What?
We're walking right by.
Look at all those people. Ready to be like,
It's a little embarrassing. I mean, you could wave.
no, we're not gonna wave. That's so disrespectful.
Alright guys, what should we do first?
Get sunglasses.
Get a drink.
Ring.
Sunglasses.
Because sunglasses, and then we'll grab a drink, then we'll ride some rides.
I'm a little hungry too.
I want to get a Sprite because I'm quenched. I mean, not quenched.
I wouldn't mind a Coke right now.
Alright, you guys, guess what? With our Diamond Elite membership, tell them about this.
Dude, free refill.
Free food, baby.
Free anything. We're literally walk up, hey,
We could theoretically deplete the whole soda in all this park with
We
this
probably
single cup.
But we're not going to because we want to leave some for the other. But we could. We'll probably take half.
It's pretty awesome.
Let's go get sunglasses, please.
Let's do it. Well, that's cute, Kate. Actually, that's really cute. Would you like that?
Yeah, except for the fact that I'm wearing a bun right now.
No, good point.
There's so many ice sunglasses.
You guys with our Diamond Elite membership, we get 50% off purchases of most items throughout the park, so this is really cool. It's be a good time to come here and just go shopping.
Check out these Ray-Bans.
Oh my gosh, I love them.
Yeah, flick me out. Oh, the cute ones.
Ah, look at the pokes on the side. That's my vote right there.
Woo! 50% off, you know what I'm saying? $7.94. Let's go.
Come on,
It's a
Alright,
bargain.
I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
It's a bargain.
Alright guys, this is the new ride. I think we're gonna do it. It's a roller coaster. We've never been on it before. I'm pretty excited about it. Mike, are you gonna ride? I think he says no. Mike's not a roller coaster rider. Alright you guys, are you ready for this?
heading to our first ride. Let's get it. Got our.
There's nothing like starting out with a roller coaster. I like to start out with something a little bit
No.
Going big? Alright, we're going in big.
Dude, look how high up that is.
I don't know about that. What do you guys think?
You're in the stratosphere.
All right, I think I'm cool with this one. I've ridden this one before, but that one, I don't know about that
We're in the
one.
stratosphere right now. on so fast it pushed the tear or the.
It pushed my eye juices out of my eyes.
moisture. I didn't cry, but it pushed the moisture out of my eyes.
I don't cry. I'm crying. Alright guys, with the Diamond Elite membership, you also get free access to all Six Flags water parks.
That's so cool.
So here we are at Hurricane Harbor.
Wait, do you want to get rice bowl and I'll get nachos and we'll split it?
Yes.
Are you recording?
Yep. Stand up. Boom. That's. Okay, boy.
Burrito. You get the cilantro.
Chicken rice bowl.
I did the same thing. I'm pretty jazzed about it. It looks awesome.
I need a picture.
Ryan. Burrito bigger than your head.
So good.
Is it?
So good.
Alright, that's food. And then you guys, you can share these instead of the chips and salsa, okay?
Oh, awesome.
On the munch.
Here we go. Have at it. Alright, you guys, we finished eating and we are so full. So we're just gonna wait a little bit another ride. And we might walk around a little bit trying to digest. It was so good. Oh, I couldn't even finish it. It was huge. A huge amount of food. Here we go. All right, see you in a minute. Guys, there's tons of shows throughout the park, and with our pass, we can get, it's like Fortnite. We get VIP seating up front. We're not gonna stay and watch a show right now because we have way more rides to ride. But if we did want to stay and watch a show, we could have really good seating with our, boop.
What's up, guys? Story time. I was here a while ago, and it was Fright Fest. You know, a bunch of like clowns and zombies running around. And I was really little, so I was really terrified of that. We were gonna go on this ride right here, but I was too scared. And it looked really fun, but it was like, you know what? No, I don't want to do it. And I've been regretting that decision ever since. And this is the day I get to avenge my decision and go on the ride. So I'm super excited.
Skip the line.
And you can skip the line. It's amazing. Hey,
that was easy. You ready?
So ready.
Went upside down and we just got
That'd be crazy.
Yeah, we actually just like busted up and held and then we just went. Are we going over? Next time we're going over. Are you ready?
I don't think so. I think we're gonna go to the top. I think you go over next time.
No, it's the top.
We're going over? We are!
Oh yeah, thank
Woo!
you.
I love it!
Hey!
All right, well that's a wrap on Six Flags. What an amazing day we had. And I have to say, I really do think the best way to do Six Flags is with the Diamond Elite membership. It really got us lots of perks and amazing opportunity to skip lines and great discounts on food, or discounts on merchandise, and then food throughout the day. So that really is the best way to do it if you can do it. Also, we have our parking. If you guys can recall, we are like literally the second car in the parking lot with the parking. So anyway, thank you guys so much. Oh shucks.
That was good. It was good.
It was good. All right, you guys. Fun?
Thank you so much for watching.
So fun.
Highly recommend
Thank you,
Six
Six
Flags.
Flags, for having us. Thank you so much.
All right, be sure to look in the description link below. Thanks, guys. Talk to you.